I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google in your browser and signing into the account you want to change. Once signed in, click your profile or the app's grid and select Settings or Look and Theme. This takes you directly to personalization. Make sure you already know whether you want dark, light, or a custom image so you can move quickly. Next, choose the Themes or Customize option. This is the first actionable step that brings up immediate visual controls for color. Now you pick the theme type: dark, light, or custom. If you select custom, upload an image or pick a color palette from the options. The preview updates live so you can see results before saving. Once done, use any available contrast or text color adjustments to ensure readability. This is why preview matters. If your browser offers site-specific themes, apply to Google only or to all Google apps as required. Make sure to review how links and icons look. Finish by clicking Save or Done to apply the new theme. You should see the change immediately. If it doesn't appear, reload the page or clear the browser cache because stale files can block updates. Once reloaded, sign out and back in, or test in another browser to isolate the issue. This often reveals whether it's account or browser specific. If the image failed to upload, resize it or choose a different file type. That usually resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.